Finally, Google is going to release the first ever foldable, and we get the official announcement date and when and how you can actually pre-order the Google Pixel Fold. And what is the expected price for the Google Pixel Fold? Stick till the end to know more about. Google Pixel 4 is about to come in a Google I/O event. Now when that will happen? Well, it will be in May, and according to Jon Prosser, Google is going to unveil the Pixel 4 on May 10th. And we can start pre-ordering the Google Pixel 4 the same day from Google Store. Now, if you're going after the partners, you have to wait 20 more days till 30th May. And phone will be available on June 27. So buckle up as we are about to get Pixel Fold. But you need to know about these things before actually buying the Pixel 4. Before moving on, drop a like. First, what will be the price of the Google Pixel Fold? As per previous rumors, Pixel 4 will cost you around $1,300 to $1,500. But this is not the case because as per Jon Prosser, Pixel 4 will cost you around $1,799, which is close to Galaxy Z Fold 4. But personally, we don't know how well it will be built against the Fold 4 because we got IPX8 rating on Fold 4, so will Google add it? Let me know, are you guys going to pre-order Google Pixel Fold? Interestingly, Pixel 4 will going to come with Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which was used on Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. As per internals, we might see 256GB storage and 12GB of RAM as per listing leaked online. There is no such information about the 128GB and 8GB of RAM or 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. So you have to lock your eyes on 256GB with 12GB of RAM. Pixel Fold is more like an Apple 592 phone, where we are going to see 5.8 inches cover display and 7.7 inches in the display. The cover display will have a much better screen to body ratio compared to the much taller Galaxy Z Fold 4. The cameras are where I'm a bit concerned as there is no such information, but as a safe guess, we might see 50 megapixel main shooter, 48 megapixel telephoto sensor, and 12 megapixel ultra wide. The battery size is still unclear. Let's hope it will last longer than the Pixel 7 Pro because the history is not that good. If you guys want to know more about Pixel 4, you should check this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.